afternoon, everyone. This is the communications of our report about your products. There are four products: the food product, the daily product, supporting product, and the business product. The food product are products that are example of food product is example, palit of iPhone. So, ang product is we can palit ng iPhone or kanang smartphone to have easier communication. And facilitating products are tools and services that must be present for the best enjoy and use of your product. So, examples of facilitating product is example a remote control for application. So, the pure product na ang the pure product is application. While the facilitating product is remote control remote.
Uy, pwede siya mag-ilo?
Rashad yan, by pair.
Next is the supporting product. On the other hand, add value to the pure product will help differentiate from its competitors. If properly planned, the offer product competitive advantage. So examples of supporting product is mga warranty or extended service without sa product o mapalit na. Example, mapalit na ito ng mga electronics product. Iba na yung mga warranty, mga bilang kasi para sa then last is the augmented products or factors that help the consumer market the product over other products. Communicating product, accessibility, geographical locations, operating hours, atmosphere, each other. So, augmented product is, like examples of augmented product is a smartphone. Diba, ang pure product sa smartphone is the ability to communicate easily. While ang augmented is kanang naano siya, iba ang smartphone kay wala siya high camera. Like, parang level up na itaw.
Yung megapixel.
Next reporter will be discussing.
Product configurations. The billing of tourism products and services. Consumer factors. These factors include accessibility, atmosphere, the expenses environment, customer interaction with the service instead, customer relationship between customer and the service provider, then customer interaction with other customers example is data silang feedback para experience sila ako sa mga product. Then improve production is consumer get attracted to purchase taking into consideration with the standard of the consumer. Marketing nuggets. Best beaches in the world that Philippines has the best beaches in the world. Aside from El Nido and Boracay that have received international recognition, there are a lot of other beaches and islands in the country that just so top 10 most popular beaches in the world.
Nasiyok mo ay.
And first is Copacabana Beach, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
Cancun, Mexico. Waikiki, Hawaii.
From Hawaii.
Apil na dira ang Maldives.
From Mexico.
Waikiki.
Then
Surfers,
Paradise, Australia. Then
Negril.
from Jamaica.
Fifth.
Phi from Thailand. Then South Beach in Florida. Then
Wow, okay,
Boracay
gini.
from Philippines.
Wala sa doon, Canary Islands.
Canary Islands. Then Natatupa Beach, Fuji.
Tigas mga beach yun.
Okay, the top 10 tallest beaches in the world.
Maho.
First is Maho Beach, then Maho Beach, St. Martin, then Anses of Anses or St. Martin,
Seychelles. Maldives ito sa Pulas.
Latikai Beach from Hawaii, then Maldives, then Sidari, the Greece, then El Nido, then Las Indias, Spain, then Sayonara National Park, Colombia. Then Sabine Beach, Greece, then
Lawaw ulit.
Matira Point, Tahiti,
Tahiti.
And now let's proceed to the product life cycle. In tourism and hospitality, product life cycle can be referred into two levels. So first one is specific product and services on a business or corporate level, such as hotels, restaurants, resort property, and etc. The second one is an aggregate of offerings within a whole destination, or the amount of offerings that the destinations can be offered to a certain customer itself. So we have here the sales, which are the development, introduction, growth, maturity, decline, and time. So for this figure, we have here the stages of product life cycle. So as you can see there, we have here the sales and the time. So the development of course states how progressive the product itself. So first we have here the introduction. The introduction, it deals about the launch of a product. So first could be the allocation and the distribution of the product itself. Next one is the growth. The growth of this, it deals about on the product that is being accepted on the market. So if that specific product has been launched by a certain company, the sa growth, hindi makita if ang market ba, consumer ba, may accept ba sila sa certain product. So it could be the point if yan ang product ba is demand pa siya sa mga tao. The third one is the maturity. So in this point, as you can see, mas itaas siya ng intense. So in the maturity, the competitors are present. So and we can't deny that if we are going to have business, of course, competitors are present, and competitors are also surrounded by the firm na imuha ginahatulan. So sa maturity, of course, there's a shaking nga manita po. May competitors naman nga of course, competitive siya sa imuha product. So as you can see, di paubos siya. Di-decline. So if dapat ka competitors, obviously,
Dili ra pud sa competitors, pati pud sa kanang wala sila nakaano sa trends.
oh yeah.
Kaya tong Nokia o katong Android nga, example ni Miss Via.
So dapat po nag-decline siya guys because na competitors na involved. So if you are planning to have a business in the future, it is very important na you have to be agile and responsive on what are the trends sa iyong mga surroundings. Dapat di ka ma-behind in order na dapat natawo ang patronize yung product as well as for your organization to be lucrative in terms of profit. Next slide.
So, moving on, we will talk about the product development. So, product development stage begins with an idea of a new product that will possibly satisfy an existing need or want in a specific market. So, the product development is talked about, syempre, development of the product. This includes all the strategies or the marketing and minimum sa company. So, introduction. And the introduction phase is the period wherein the product is introduced to the market. It may be a period of rapid or slow sales growth, depending on market
profits may be non-existent at the stage since investments have been made during the product development stage. So the introduction phase is talk about kapag sa ilang product development na sa na-create ng product, start na sila o ganang introduce sa ilang existing product. So ilang bilang mga product. So after that, sa kanang pag-i-introduce nila sa market kung sa ilang nahimo or na-create ng product, naano siya yung mga stages code sa next na akong i-discuss. So first one is the growth stage. The growth stage is a period of rapid market acceptance and increasing profits. As the product becomes popular with its target market, an increase in sales is projected at this stage. Return on investment will materialize at this stage of the product cycle. So, ang atong i-discuss ni Gaga, as Ms. Gaga mentioned, atong sa product cycle, ano siya ang, kung baga, ihang itong ipag-explain, ako di siya ang munod. So, ang growth stage, hindi na siya nga, di ba, example, pag the product development sila, nana sila i-introduce ng product sa market. This sila mo include na ang growth stage. Kanang mo, kung sugod na nga, nimuto ko na bako sa ilang mga product about. So next is maturity stage. Kasi siya mula layo kayo na kanang word sa company nga maturity. Muna man siya grabe siya sa stage 6 nga topic. Maturity stage. So the maturity stage is after your sales. Ito ba sa
Murag, gapaangat din sa taas kay gastay na siya sa top.
Because the product has achieved acceptance by most of its potential buyers. Any idea?
Kuan ganang. Yeah, murag ano na siya na, imo na siyang well-known nga product sa ano ba market. Kay since sa ano di ba, introductory phase dayon na growth, ang maturity stage amo na siya murag apil na siya sa mga top competing products sa market. Oh, the well-known, tas dagan na pud suki. Dagan na pa.
Very common. So at this stage, to prevent decline, the company can introduce some innovation as follows.
Alay?
So, kapag katong part na mga last maturity stage, ako to sa cycle, pero dere, ako niya mga ginhimo nga innovation for the product to improve. So first thing is the market modification. The company may introduce innovation to the product in order to attract a related segment of the market and increase consumption further. So the market modification, paano siya kaya? Related na siya katong unahan na akong iingon. Katong, ariyo. Growth stage.
Ay, di? Sino? Back daw.
Bato ang market.
Back.
Kung baga, di ba, kung sa growth stage,
Murag
kung sa ang
updated na.
Oo, ang growth stage, murag katong murag ilang product, ilang kinakuha, wherein kani siya, innovation, it talks about innovation. Kato
Dagi
siya-
na sila giusob sa ano.
Oo, kato siya, murag focus dito sa product nga nituan, ani improve or ligo, wherein kani mga innovation na ilang ginahimo.
Sila nag-level up sa product.
Kung baga ka na, ang rika, ang growth stage, ang siya ang nakobra, na siya yung mga, ganang, wala ko yung mga ginagawa, pinahimo ba na siya ang kaning market modification, o kaning uwan pa. So, let's talk about the innovation similar to the growth stage. So, next is the product modification. The company can optimize to change product characteristics such as product quality, features, and staff to attract new users and stimulate more sales. So, kaning innovation nila dito, sa kanan na wherein sa product modification, it talks about the feature of the feature.
Sa product.
Feature na, kumbaga, physically, ilang ginahimo or ilang innovation yung ginahimo nila. Hindi lang sa innovate kung saan nila, pero kanina, this talks about the product itself. Kung saan nila ang pagpatsyada sa product,
Taas yung quality.
physical features sa product. Pero magdepende na
company kung ano sa product ilakaran na innovate. So the third one is marketing mix modification. This is when the company attempts to improve sales by changing one or more of the marketing mix elements to attract new customers and prevent consumers from switching brands. So, last nga topic, we talk about the marketing mix. Second marketing mix, the
Product, the
Price,
the
place, and
place,
promotion.
Oo, katong
feel na kumurag, apil na dira ang, for example, kanang ang kaning tindahan or kaning company is na diri nga lugar na ay tendency nga mo ato sila in pang place para nga
kumbaga franchise.
murag nga
Oh, brand.
pa
Actually, part of the innovation, right, kumbaga i-improve nila rin sa marketing mix, pero kung ang market, ina-improve nila ang sales. Di ba sa last na ilang physical
Di-improve.
stores na ina-improve. Dili ilang mga sales na ilang ginamo. Kung paano pa nila, paano nila bilahin mo ang marketing strategy. Basta kapag sa product mix, yung mga market.
Oo.
So, the last one is the decline stage. Some successful products stay in the business for a long period of time by employing product
Modification.
market modification, and marketing mix modification. Some products stays in the market and avoid decline. The decline stage is the period when sales fall off quickly and profits drop. So,
apil sa
decline.
mga example ana ang katong sa for example tong Nokia, since nagawas ang touch phone gani, touch screen, since wala sila ka-update, wala sila naka-adapt sa change, dito sila nag-decline. Dili ra pud sa Nokia, pati na pud dira sa kalagay mga camera, katong mga katong mga sikat nga Kodak Kodak na so
Ako po niya, ino nila. Some products stays in the market and avoid decline. It doesn't mean na decline, mawala na siya. Some products na sa ginagamit nila a long period of time, it doesn't mean na mag-vanish siya, but also it remains sa usang ka organization. Usay na na. Kana, kumbaga, example, ang decline stage, example, let's talk about technology, kaya technology is very, naman, kanang common. Kung baga ang cellphone, ga-improve ay ang camera, example sa camera, let's talk about the camera, naarag hapon, di ba? Pero ga-improve. So, a long period of time, dili siya mawala, whereas, mo-improve siya. Ang decline stage doesn't mean
Wala na kay kuan.
mawala siya, or mawala dito.
pero alakan sige pon kasi sales
Oo.
kay kuan.
Actually, all company, ganang maranas sila ang decline
Decline.
stage. Kay every business naman na a failure. Ang
Yeah.
mga,
Just like for example, mga Christmas products, which is pag season na niya, bago siya, top din siya sa market, but since mawala na ang
Off-season,
dito na siya mabilog ang decline stage, which is
depende sa demand. Pero, gastay, hapon na siya ma-product.
gastay siya, hindi siya mamanage, but hindi pila ka man, sila na siya i-renovate para ma-reset ang pila ka, hindi sila maligid.
One point ka na,
Sige na. Proceed. Next is phase out. This is the stage when the production of the product or availability of the service will be shut down or deleted from the company's product line. So, kadang mag-phase na sa ka-business.
Mag-ano na, bankruptcy.
Okay, hindi na siya magamit, hindi na siya.
yes.
Itangtang na.
Hindi na siya polos.
Hindi na siya marketable.
Di ba may Samsung man nga kon sa unang keypad?
Best example lang Nokia, which is nawala siya because of
Actually, Nokia is very
Pero ang ano ba ang keypad?
wala na siyang keypad.
ang face out yun, like, wala din, delete na ang product. Wala na din siya.
Murag ang katorang product nga wala naka-ano sa
How do you think na, sa inyo nabalan ka?
Pila mo ito katong ano dai katong Samsung nga keypad karon kay wala man. Wala na pud yoy. Wala na good relationship.
Ay, katong Q-hit there. Q-hit. Ay, katong Q-hit.
Dapat siya rin mobile.
Sino mo may data ba?
Katong my phone nga, katong Philippines. Oh, Blackberry. Oo. Kato na siya. Lapad nga kiss.
Asian people.
Di ba, kung makagpunta na niya sa Blackberry, dapat ako.
Dili siya exactly na face out, pero diba, sabi ko na sa national ay sa diba,
Pero murag na-joy product siguro nga ma-face out yun sa.
basta pero wala extra. Okay, hindi mo nila culture and tradition. Sige, next is dito ginagawa. Okay, so we discussed earlier the product life cycle, and now let's proceed to the destination itself. So we have here the stages of DLC, the exploration, DLC, the destination life cycle. So,
Gani, buwangan na tayo.
exploration, involvement, development, consolidation, stagnation, and decline. So, first one we have here, this is the first stage, which is the exploration, which is characterized by the number of tourists in a specific destination. That, of course, if ang tourist, may kato siya sa isang place, minimal culture of a certain place, kaya you have to make that, and as well as social status, social mobility of a certain destination. Next, involvement, guys. Define during ang involvement, kaya it is characterized by an increase in tourist arrival. So, sa involvement at this point, if daghan na kayo na tourist kani arrive sa specific place, of course, the development of an infrastructure will happen. So, specifically, for example, api sa Boracay. So, that's the famous kaning Laaga Beach sa atong country, right? So, it happened nga, if dagat kay katawag vacation dito, so, the year after, mutugod na ang Boracay sa mas daghan pa siya nga rooms para sa mga tourists na para ma-accommodate sila tanan. Third one was the development. So, the involvement and the development is interconnected. So, in development, it states there nga tourist arrival are fast increasing, so loss of local control, rise of foreign-owned facilities, and the migrant labor. So of course, this is one of the stages sa destination life cycle. Kaya if ara development, of course, meron po mga migrant laborer. So if diri nga, like for example, diri sa itong yung lugar sa Bayaban, if example na, if may mga famous sa diri nga beaches, so of course, nanginahangan tas itong mga labor. Not the labor na dili na ito makita sa itong cities, but of course sa other nga countries. So, development happened after the planned sina nga specific infrastructure. Next is the consolidation. So, consolidation states there that tourism has become a major economic factor. Yes, of course. It states there nga ang tourism now is a major economic factor. Kay then again, sa page 4 pa natin yung discussion kay Miss Jane. So, second year natin nga, the tourism industry is the most lucrative industry among all. Kay whenever we go, wherever we go, kay ang tourism industry is present. Especially, like for example, if we're planning to go to Italy or somewhere out of the town, so of course, mga hotels nga to stayhan, it's part of tourism industry. Restaurant nga yung masuklan, of course, it's part of tourism industry. That's why it's number one in a major factor of economic growth. Next Next is stagnation. There is a stagnation. It will tackle about we'll discuss about in tow of tourism comes from repeat visit and convention. So it also characterized by social, environmental, and economic problems. So sa stagnation, it will point out that ang mga tourists nga nigaghan na kay kadto sa isa ka lugar. So it can cause an environmental problem. Specifically, some of their mga garbage, mga trash, kaya muna siya maipon sa isa ka lugar. Even hindi siya sikat nga lugar na doon makatuan. Like for example, ako ni example Pasay, tinuod mo po nito. Hindi na siya famous nga place, pero some of the students and some of people there kay mukat dito sa Boulevard, Boulevard yung manang Pasay karon. And it happened nga pagka morning daghan kayo nga basura. So maybe matawag sila nga kanang mga tao nga lain pud nga aras sa lain nga lugar. For example, ay lain nga place. Like for example, nagbuan na dinipad ko sa Pasay. So meaning relax dito sa Boulevard. So that's the main factor. Damo na kayo nga tourist nga nila sa specific place na it can damage ko sa environment. Next is 6 is decline. So, may decline na po nga mahitabo. Kaganina sa product life cycle, there is decline nga nahitabo. Of course, sa destination life cycle po, may decline po siya. So, it states there nga, it is characterized by a downward rate of tourist arrival. The decline stage can be mitigated depending on management and marketing effort to uplift the development of more exciting product and market modification strategies may be applied to rejuvenate the decline of a destination. So, sa decline kay it could be nga hindi na magdawat sa mga stories ang specific nga destination itself. Like, hindi man sa tanan nga panahon ay di ba meron kining off season kag meron po ng season sa imong business. So it doesn't mean nga if daghan kayo nga mga customer ng kanto or nga tourist nga mo-avail sa imong product and services inside of the hotel, it doesn't mean po nga hindi nyo sila entertain or like sining ka mo lang ay ala puno na diri ka paglakat na ka mo. Maybe you can recommend some hotels nga lapit. Like if kana po yung mga hotel nga lapit, if you didn't consider it as a competitors, like ang iba naman po may partnership lang. Like for example sa Fantasy and sa Double H, di ba, siningan lang sila doon. If mag-book na sa Fantasy, they will recommend sa Double H, lapit lang. So, ang tao po pagka morning, makabalik lang po sa Fantasy. So, that's the point.
Pero
Next.
mostly counted ay mga hotel na pag fully book sila, okay lang recommend sa the sister company ng
Okay, next we have here the figure, destination figure of my life, destination life cycle.
Ang stagnation day kon di siya wala na ni padayon.
Wala kang lihok ba? Wala yung nag-list.
Steady siya mga So, we have here the number of tourists, then the rejuvenation of the client. Rejuvenation is defined as destination, stage where a destination introduces modification. So it involves on the innovation of a specific destination to retain attractiveness sa ilang customer. So we have here the exploration. So characterized by the number of tourists na ikadto sa isa ka specific destination. Then involvement.
Itong mga establishments na ba kanang may na-form ka to sa Boracay game example ko.
Ito siya. Tapos next is the development of Boracay.
Itong apil na dira mo immigrants na ni trabaho.
Iningat sa development, kay muna siya interconnected lang po sila. Daghan na kayo nga tourists na na-involve. Of course, may development ka makita po after a year or after a month's na observation sa manager din. The consolidation and the stagnant self na steady lang ang stage sa kanang specific. Una siya sa 6 kay, it could be sa 6, it could be ang decline or rejuvenation. It could be decline if kining maano na
Ma-fail
siya.
nila,
Na-fail
modify.
nila, access kining tabo nga mo to nga, if because sa mga environmental problem, cause lang po sa tourism, or it could be nga rejuvenation or innovation.
I-improve nila
Oh,
ilang
i-improve ba nila?
attractions.
So, of course, if may business ka, what we're trying to point out or what are
Kaya sa
your
Boracay.
objectives and goals is to have money. Money na siya.
Pero sa Boracay actually, katong kamanay mo tong nusa tong year nga di pa hunong kay daghan na kayo basura ang dayon karon kay ano na nila tas pati ang establishments no ilalapod kay pila to ka meters o itong mga drainage do kay Duterte man to nga term
Ano po, to last time po nga kapag na-video nila mga tumayara sa Buaya. Sa Boracay ko, sa Buaya, may Buaya nga ina na-videoan din. It happened after si Buka. Gamay nyo na nga tao ang mga lipunan. Kaya makahapon sino kung ikaw walang kailangan ka ga-expect ka kay most beautiful place in the Philippines. Ang Boracay din sa
Naray.
Pumunta ka dito sa Buaya, di ba? Nagpuling ka, wala na kang piling. So, it happened, gana siya.
walay bagis pero nay buhay
It happened siya, ay may problem ang isang establishment, of course. Wala kayo tanggilik or it could be ang isang establishment, i-close nila, anay, may decline, anay nga nakita ko. Like kay Miss Galicia, lagi na sila nga, if we say decline, it doesn't mean nga, mawala na siya. Ganun daw. Basta, hindi na siya dahil ma-notice, hindi siya
Oh.
kilala sa mga tao. So, that's the end of our discussion today.